Hey guys, and welcome back to RH2 Racing. Has this ever happened to you? You walk into the garage and it is just a mess. The last project just kind of took everything out of you, and now there's just stuff everywhere. You've got oil dry on the floor, stuff from other projects that shouldn't even be in here, loads of bags of trash and tools where they're not supposed to be, and just clutter. Well, let's try to fix this up, shall we? Hey guys, well, we did a lot of work today, but I think it actually came out really good. We got our sandblaster up there and it's a new home. Got all of our paints and fluids. And I even took the time to organize the tools and make them look all nice in here. Just makes it easier when you need to go grab something. We need a bigger drawer. We got a lot of pliers. But we got all of our sockets up here. We've got our tool sets up here. These little cobalt tool sets are pretty nice. So we got everything in there where it needs to be. So yeah, I think it's looking pretty good in here. We're going to be working on Project Miata and getting that going. That's the next big step, is putting the engine in and getting all that working. And that's going to be fun. It's a little daunting, but it's going to be fun. So definitely stay tuned if you haven't already subscribed. Also, if you know anybody that would like this sort of content, share it with them. Give us a like. Definitely helps out a lot, and we definitely appreciate it. We'll catch you later.